and Ilonggo are often used interchangeably, but they have different meanings depending on the context. For a person learning Hiligaynon, it's important to understand this distinction. First is Hiligaynon. So Hiligaynon is the name of the language spoken by people primarily in the Western Visayas region of the Philippines, especially in Iloilo and Negros Occidental. It is one of the major Visayan languages and is widely spoken in cities like Iloilo, Bacolod, and neighboring areas. For its usage, when we say Hiligaynon, we are referring to the language that people in these areas use to communicate. It has its own vocabulary, grammar, and pronunciation patterns. If you are learning Hiligaynon, this is the language you are studying. For Ilonggo, the definition can either refer to two things. The first one is people. So it is used to describe the ethnic group or the people who come from Iloilo and some parts of Negros Occidental. It can also refer to language informally. In casual or local contexts, people often refer to the Hiligaynon language as Ilonggo, especially in Iloilo and parts of Negros Occidental. However, this is more of a regional nickname and not the official name of the language. When it comes to the usage of Ilonggo, when someone says Ilonggo, they could be referring to either the people or the language spoken in Iloilo and surrounding areas. While many locals call the language Ilonggo, the correct term when discussing the language itself is Hiligaynon. Let us discuss the key differences between Hiligaynon and Ilonggo. When it comes to definition, so Hiligaynon refers to specifically the language spoken in Iloilo, Bacolod, and nearby areas. So I believe there are also a lot of Hiligaynon speaking people in Mindanao area. On the other hand, Ilonggo refers to the people from Iloilo and parts of Negros Occidental, or informally, the language. When it comes to usage, the Hiligaynon language or Hiligaynon is the correct term when learning the language, while Ilonggo is used informally to refer to the language or the people of Iloilo. For its geographical scope, Hiligaynon is used across the Western Visayas and in regions where Hiligaynon is spoken, while Ilonggo refers mainly to people from Iloilo and parts of Negros Occidental. For its cultural connotation, Hiligaynon, there are no cultural connotations for that. This is strictly linguistic. While Ilonggo refers to the cultural identity of the Ilonggo people. When you're learning the Hiligaynon language, you are studying the official linguistic system of the region. However, when locals refer to the language as Ilonggo, it's more of a cultural or informal way of naming it, particularly in Iloilo. Understanding this distinction helps prevent confusion, especially since Ilonggo can refer to both the people and the language. So, while you may hear both terms, if you are specifically talking about the language you are learning, Hiligaynon is the proper term to use. Madamo gid nga salamat for watching this video. I do hope you learned something new and see you in the next one. Bye!